All right, guys. Here's another aspect of drawing that people like really freak out about, and it's like when things overlap. They freak out and like say they were gonna draw that circle and that diamond. They're like, okay, draw the diamond, and like there's the circle, and it's weird. I don't know what happens. But basically overlapping just means things cover each other up, and it's not that it doesn't exist anymore, it just gets kind of covered up. It's my fingers are always still there, they don't become invisible, it just get covered up a little bit. Like they start here and then they peek out at the end. So I'm going to show you a method for approaching overlapping, and this may sound stupid to some of you, but some of you may be really, really needing this little exercise. So hopefully you already saw the video on how to do this. If not, you'll see it right now. The method is to just work from background to foreground. So start with whatever's the furthest away from us. So like I can tell the diamond is kind of like closest to us. It's most in the foreground because I could see all of it. And then you could see that the circle is behind that. The diamond, the rhombus, what is that? You can see that this triangle is kind of behind that. And you can see that this rectangle is kind of behind everybody. So what's furthest away? You can definitely tell it's the rectangle. So start with the rectangle and draw the whole thing. Even though you don't see some of it, that's okay. Try to match what you see. I think it's about that long, maybe a little wider. Okay. I'm just drawing very loosely for now, and then I'm going to make it nicer later. Okay, and then what comes next? I started with this, and then I'm going to work more and more to the foreground. So the rectangle is the furthest away from us, and then it seems like the triangle is on top of that. So I'm going to draw the whole triangle too. Even though I don't see some of it down here, it's okay. Just going to kind of eyeball where I think it would be. Oh, I can use that method. There we go. That was helpful. Hello. Okay. And then I just erase the part of the rectangle that I don't see anymore, okay? Because I don't see that bottom corner. It gets covered up by the triangle. And now we have the circle, okay? So that's no problem. It covers up that part of the triangle and that part of the box. And I'm just going to go ahead and try and place it correctly and just draw the whole thing. Even though I don't see some of it there, it's okay. Just draw the whole thing. Go ahead and, you do the same. You work on this too, okay? And then, hey, like I'm not able to see the tip of that triangle and the bottom of that rectangle because it gets covered up by the circle. So just erase that, and now it looks like it's overlapping. So you go ahead and do the whole thing and do the rhombus. What is that thing? Whatever that shape is, do that one too. And good luck and have fun. This should take you 3 to 4 minutes.